36 353 985. We're doing a part flush today in Swaddling Coat, which is through Burton-on-Trent, not far from Derby. The system's an open vented system. There's lots of sludge and rust in the system. There's lots of 8mm microbore. It's open vented like we said, and the customer's complaining that some of the radiators just aren't warming up. Okay, we've hooked into the system through the pump housing, tapped everything off in the loft area as we usually do, and the water, the actual colour of the water is absolutely black. It's absolutely full, a very heavy system. We've got the magnet hooked up, etc., so we expect to pull a lot of rust and sludge out of this system. We'll quickly explain, if you don't know what a power flush is, it's just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, your pipework, your radiators, your boiler, etc. Just getting it all nice and clear and clean. So after the power flush, you'll be able to turn your boiler down, you'll save on gas, fuel bills, your boiler will be quieter, etc. And you know, it just all makes sense. We're going to talk a little bit more about power flushing later. We've got a lot to do. We're also fitting a filter for this customer later on, MB3 filter, Spirotech, very good filter. Cost wise, we'll quickly mention, we're up to 50% cheaper than most of the major utility companies such as British Gas. The job's fully certificated, PHTDS levels given and taken, etc. It's all okay with your utility company contract providers. We'll give you, for instance, we was doing a British Gas contract customer the other day, and we discovered that their pump was faulty. She had a 3-star contract with them, and we talked to British Gas on her behalf. She handed me the phone, and we actually said, yeah, I'm doing a power flush here today, the pump is on its way out, and they were going to come and replace a pump after we had power flushed the system. So you know, just to let you know, it's all okay with the utility company contract provider. Okay, right, we've got a lot to do. We're going to talk a little bit more about the power flushing process later, so we'll just get back to you later on. Okay. Hi Barry, here's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, we're going to show you the magnet now. It has got dark. We've had a few jobs to do on this system. We wanted, we needed to cap a radiator off for the customer because he wants to change it, and he's wanted a Spirotech MB3 filter on as well. So we sort of had a break and we fitted all that. So we're still pushing it. We're going to show you the magnet now. We'll soon be on the rinsing stage now. Oh, there you are. Wow, look at that. It is dark, but obviously, hopefully you can see. Oops, look at. You can see all that rust and sludge on there. Hopefully, it is a really heavy system. So you imagine that going through your pump, diverter valve, etc. Your boiler. Can you see that? Them big pieces there. It's dark, but hopefully you can see that. It's all metal and rust and sludge that's on your system. You imagine that running through your boiler, especially a combination boiler. Eventually it's just going to wreck it. That's what will destroy your pumps, your valves, your diverter valves, etc. You know, and that's what power flushing is all about. It's about getting all that out of the system. Okay, we're just going to get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. No, sorry, we'll just tell you we're fully gas safe registered as well. So if you need any boilers fitted, we can do that as well. We've not really had a lot of time to do the video very well today. We've just had too much to do. So it's been a bit of a long day. But obviously, if you're having a boiler fitted by us, the system will be power flushed properly, 100% power flushed, or we'll insist on power flushing it. As you can see what comes out of the system, it's not worth putting a new boiler on without getting it power flushed. And likewise, if you think you've had a new boiler, you know, if you've had a new boiler in the last few years and you don't think it's been power flushed properly, just give us a call. We'll come and power flush it. You know, we'll always do it 100% properly with the best chemicals, best inhibitor, etc. You know, if your central heating engineer is giving you a good quote, cheap quote to fit a boiler, just make sure he's power flushing it properly as well. And we don't mean just a little bit of mains water, tap water through the mains. That's no good whatsoever. It needs properly power flushed to get all the rust and corrosion out, and then properly inhibited. So if your central heating engineer is just going to run some tap water through it, in all honesty, it's just not good enough. Power flushing is the best thing you can do to your central heating system, bar none. Even if you've got an old system, which this is, and it's grinding to halt, power flushing, it just revives it just revives the system. Okay, so it all makes sense. Alright, right, we're just going to get back to the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Hi barriers, Pro Power Flushing. Okay, we're putting the Sentinel inhibitor in now through the header tank. This should be added once a year to an open vented system. Okay, it's a bit of an awkward place. You fill everything up, fire it all back up and see how we've done. Okay. Hi barriers, Pro Power Flushing. Okay, we're just packing our stuff away now. The job's a complete success. The radiator's heating up nicely now, which weren't heating up before. So this is near Derby today, Swanding Coat. Sorry, I may have spelled that wrong. So if you need any power flushing done in the northwest UK, just give me a call. Telephone number 07836 353 985. Likewise, if you need any boilers supplied and fitted, just give me a call on the same telephone number 07836 353 985. Okay, thank you.